This is fat. And this is the Fat Freezer CryoShape. This innovative tool is Fat Freezing Cryolipolysis Reinvented. Introducing the Fat Freezer CryoShape, the only patented at-home fat freezing device to freeze away stubborn fat that's now cordless. You heard me right, the Fat Freezer is now totally cordless. It's better, smarter, and faster. Years ago, Freeze and Fit revolutionized the fat reduction industry by bringing you our first generation Fat Freezer system. With thousands of units sold, our satisfied customers were really happy and they asked for more, and we didn't disappoint. The Fat Freezer Platinum system was introduced using our innovative Theralight technology, making your fat freezing even more effective. And amazingly, nearly 10,000 people backed our campaign, and we shipped thousands of units with 5-star reviews. We could have stopped there, but we listened to our customers, and our engineers went back to work with additional research and development. We created the all-new Cordless Fat Freezer CryoShape, so you can freeze away stubborn fat anywhere you want. Around the house, in the kitchen, watching TV, relaxing outside, in the car, the gym, wherever you want, anytime, anywhere. A university study showed that 95% of dieters fail. Why? Well, when you diet and exercise, the fat cells shrink. Well, that's good, right? But when you eat, fat cells grow back. Although it's not a weight loss device, whether we can shrink the fat cells or they grow back, the number of fat cells in your body always remains the same. Imagine being able to say goodbye to those fat cells. The Fat Freezer CryoShape uses advanced Cryolipolysis technology to freeze away stubborn fat in the comfort of your own home, all while cordless. With the advanced Theralight therapy, it optimizes the fat reduction process. The digital smart display and automatic timer means keeping track of your session just got that much easier. Cryolipolysis is being used in high-end salons all around the world. It costs thousands of dollars each time and requires several visits. The Fat Freezer CryoShape brings the salon to you. It's safe, easy to use, saves you money, and best of all, it works. What more could you ask for? Fat freezing technology uses controlled cooling to help target and freeze stubborn fat cells. Your body then naturally dissolves and flushes out those frozen fat cells. Look, only the fat freezes while the water does not. The water then helps flush out the frozen fat cells, and the surrounding skin and muscle tissue remains safe and healthy. Studies have shown cryolipolysis to be a safe and effective way to freeze body fat. Because of the natural way your body dissolves away the fat, there are no saggy pockets left behind. The automatic ventilation doors make sure there's optimal airflow through the cooling system. They automatically open when you start and close all on their own when your session is done. Simple and smart. The Fat Freezer CryoShape uses our proprietary Theralight therapy, which actively targets fat cells. Studies reveal that when the sun's blue light penetrates the skin and reaches the underlying fat cells, the fat shrinks, releases naturally. That's why in the summer, we tend to lose weight, and in the winter, we tend to gain it back. Since our last design, we've done additional testing and were awarded 2 patents. And after years of research and development, the Fat Freezer CryoShape, our newest innovation and cordless fat freezing device, is available to you. Back our campaign and experience our most advanced at-home fat freezing technology available today. The compact and cordless design makes it even easier to freeze your fat. Get your Fat Freezer CryoShape today.